Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a typing test to see how fast I can type in a minute. So let's start. So let me take a minute to get ready. And in 3, 2, 1, and I'm starting. Off to a very bad start so far. Oh, 10 more seconds. And it's over. So, according to the typing test, my typing speed is 81 words per minute and my accuracy is 92%. And I misspelled 6 words. And this equals 81 words per minute equals about 405 characters in 1 minute. Dang, that's not bad. I didn't know I could type that fast. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'm sure you must have clicked on this video because you wanted to see how fast I can type. Now you know. So thanks for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed it. And please drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you have a nice day.